Let's review X and Y intercepts. The y-intercept will always happen when x is equal to 0. In other words, when x is equal to 0, we will have the y-intercept. Let's substitute 0 in for x into our equation, and we would get y is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 0 plus 3. So y would equal 3. So our y-intercept would be at 0, 3. And yes, that is where this line crosses the y-axis, is at coordinate 0, 3. If an equation is written in y equals mx plus b format, the y-intercept will always occur. The y-intercept will occur at coordinate 0, b. Next, let's take a look at the x-intercept. The x-intercept will always occur when y is equal to 0. So let's substitute 0 into our equation, and we would have 0 is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. Let's take our 3 to the other side. So we have a negative 3 equals 1/2 x. Multiplying both sides by 2, we would get x is equal to a negative 6. And yes, that is where our line crosses the x-axis, is at coordinate negative 6, 0. Let's analyze our x and y intercepts when a linear equation is written in standard form. In other words, in ax plus by is equal to c format. Once again, if we want to find the y-intercept, that will occur when x is equal to 0. So let's place a 0 into this equation of 2x minus 3y equals 12. In other words, this first term disappears, and we would have a negative 3y is equal to 12. So y is equal to a negative 4. So our y-intercept is going to occur at 0, negative 4. And yes, this is confirmed graphically. Our line intersects our y-axis at coordinate 0, negative 4. If we want to determine our x-intercept, we know that that will occur at y is equal to 0. So let's write down our equation again. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So if y is equal to 0, the second term will become 0, and we are left with 2x is equal to 12. Therefore, dividing both sides by 2 using the division property of equality, we get x is equal to 6. And yes, this is also confirmed on our graph. The line crosses the x-axis at 6, 0. In summation, our y-intercept will always occur at the coordinate 0, the y-intercept. The x-intercept will always occur when y is 0.